everyone, we are now here in the Kathmandu Durbar Square. So you have to pay 1,000 rupee for the entrance, and this is the ticket. And you need to wear this, I guess. And yeah, it's kind of weird because I think Nepalese are free to get inside. But yeah, it's still crowded. Like there is still no privacy, right? Because every Nepalese can go inside. So
I think this might just be a regular street, and then the
we
museums over
paid
there.
the museums or something.
I'm not really sure.
Yeah, so this is that place, and yeah, we're going to walk around this area, and it's gonna be cold. All right, let's go. Yeah, it's actually a car museum. So yeah, they call this as a museum. And yeah, I think it's amazing. So I think they're also still building something there, which is nice. And some stores here with this cover. You know, there's a lot of ducks. Yeah, so in Nepal they celebrate dogs. They worship dogs, and I think it's a 1 week celebration, if I'm not mistaken. It's called Kukur Tihar, if I'm saying it correctly.
Perro Fest 23.
Yeah. So it's a festival that they worship dogs because they believe that dog was a messenger. Wow, look at that lobby. So nice.
Ancient.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Like this is giving me Italy-ish. Right?
Those are Greek columns.
Yeah. Oh, it's Greece. Wow, nice. So what? This is the other. So we walk around there. Okay.
I wonder how old this city is.
True. What is this? Is this outside already? Or this is another one?
No idea.
Wow, there are some cafes up there. This is kind of this is kind of like what you call that? Like a market-ish.
Oh yeah, let's go check out this market.
Sí, vamos. Let's go, I guess.
Just have a look, sir, here.
Yeah, so they're selling masks, they're selling knives.
100. Which one?
The little one.
I give you Nepali for it. Which one?
How much for this one?
This? 700. Only 7. No big.
700?
Yeah, Nepali price.
Oh, that's pretty
Not
cheap.
like this, open like this.
Pull it hard?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
This is,
that's good.
What is it for?
this is good one.
Is that for cooking? or
Yeah,
no?
Nepali kukuri. No, if you cooking, okay, no problem.
Oh.
This is Nepal, and you put inside bed, very
Oh,
good.
okay,
Big
okay.
shop, you give me 1,300. I don't know like this price.
Okay.
It's like for self-defense, I guess.
No, it's-
Like this, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
I have to see if I can send it back to
Okay,
Canada.
no problem.
But
Every country okay.
is it okay?
Yeah,
I'll,
okay.
I'll check.
This is 100.
Those are 100?
Yeah.
Do you see anything you like, Bubby? She's spent her
This is
time.
my little
True.
shop,
Give her
little
100 bucks or
price.
something.
Have a look at it.
Let's see. How much for the bracelet?
Which one? This is silver one expensive. This is cheaper.
This is why
Yeah,
the 100?
this is
Where's
metal
the
100, yeah.
Oh, 100?
Yeah, this is big one, different price. This is 100. This is meditation one. This is brass, copper, silver, iron.
Nice.
This is meditation.
Oh, nice. Wow, that's cool.
Like this, small hand, like this.
Yeah.
And this brass, copper, silver, iron, Tibetan gold. And this is meditation, good health, blood pressure.
Aww.
And
Okay.
this is Nepal. This is Nepal. This is Tibet.
Tibet. Okay.
And this kind also
Yeah, lovely,
different.
this one, lovely.
Look, this is different design. Very nice. Yeah. This is good piece.
Just get one.
Yeah, I'll just
This
get
is
this one.
This is expensive, different price.
Yeah.
This is 100.
This one, how much?
This give me 600.
600.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll
Nepali
just
price.
get the 100.
This one?
Yeah.
This is 100.
Yeah, just the
This
100.
small one. Okay.
Yeah.
This is 100 rupees.
Thank you. Okay, Lada, this one is 100 rupee.
Thank you.
Okay, if you buy 9, we come back.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll come back.
We'll come back.
Thank
Silver
you.
one.
Thank you.
Okay.
I think they are so nice. Like they aren't really, they're not gonna push you hard. If you said no, then they're not gonna chase you. Unlike those
I think
vendors
yeah.
that we experienced in South America. Oh my gosh, especially in Cartagena, Colombia. Oh my God! Even if you say no, they're gonna chase you.
I think you and I shop differently. Like, I don't like to spend somebody's time and not give them anything. Like,
Yeah.
they answer our questions.
Yeah, but for me, I think it's fine. Like really, like I don't need to buy because I'm just asking. But yeah, so I get a small bracelet. I think she's explaining that it's made of brass, metal, or something. Wow, look at that lovely, huh? And then imagine this is not recording. Oh my God, I'm just wasting my time roaming around explaining everything.
Your wits about you.
I know, because or else the motorcycle's gonna hit you. So this one is actually cool. I think it's also a temple. And we're gonna go up. I'm not sure how many steps it's at. But let's try. Wow, this is cool. Okay, this is interesting. Right?
Yeah.
This is nice actually. Friends, we are now at home after a long walk. Well, it's not really like a long walk, it's just like maybe 14 or 15 minutes, but you know, it's really crowded, like literally crowded. That's why I'm going to end the video at home. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sass reminding you to stay golden.